Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to play with friends on mini Craftsman. Okay, let's start the video. Click on create a new. Click on create a new world. Click on create. Click on proceed. Click on save and quit. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.